How many of you have been trying to learn English for years but still struggle to hold a conversation? Or maybe you're just starting out and you're thinking, is it even possible to learn spoken English in 30 days? The answer, yes, but only if you focus on the right things. Most people waste time memorizing grammar rules, translating everything, and overcomplicating the process. In this video, I'll share super effective, no BS tips to help you start speaking English naturally without feeling awkward, nervous, or stuck. And trust me, these tips actually work. I've seen people go from zero to conversational in just 1 month. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's do this. First, let's clear up a big misconception. Learning English doesn't mean knowing 10,000 words or having perfect grammar. Nope. It means being able to express yourself and be understood. That's it. Think about kids. When a toddler starts speaking, do they use perfect sentences? No. They say things like, want cookie or me go park. But guess what? People understand them. That's what you need to do. Stop overthinking, start talking, and let the language flow. Here's the secret. The more you speak, the better you get. The more you listen, the more you understand. The more you think in English, the faster you improve. Now, let's dive into the best tips to help you reach a conversational level in 30 days. Tip number 1. Speak every single day, even if you're alone. But I have no one to practice with. Guess what? That's not an excuse. You can practice alone, and it actually works. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I need to find my cup. Oh no, I forgot to buy milk. Record yourself and listen back. It'll help you notice mistakes and improve. Use shadowing. This means listening to a native speaker and copying them word for word. More on this later. The key is to hear yourself speaking English every day. Your brain will adjust, and you'll feel more comfortable speaking. Tip number 2. Focus on phrases, not just words. Let me ask you, when was the last time you spoke in single words? Never, right? Because we speak in phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing random vocabulary, learn common phrases and sentence structures. Instead of just hungry, learn I'm starving. Let's grab something to eat. Instead of just bathroom, learn excuse me. Where's the restroom? This makes conversations way easier and more natural. Tip number 3. Listen like a baby. Seriously, it works. You learned your first language by listening constantly, and that's exactly how you'll learn English. Watch English shows with no subtitles. Yes, even if you don't understand everything. Listen to podcasts or English audiobooks when you're driving, cooking, or exercising. Use the shadowing technique, play a sentence, pause, and repeat it exactly the way they say it. This will skyrocket your pronunciation. Tip number 4. Stop thinking in your native language. Your brain slows down when you translate every sentence before speaking. Instead, train yourself to think in English. Here's how. When you see an object, name it in English. Example, that's a chair. The sky's blue. If you're feeling something, describe it. Example, I'm happy today. I'm tired but excited. Try writing short diary entries in English. Just a few sentences a day. After a few weeks, your brain will start processing thoughts directly in English. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. I see so many learners afraid to speak because they don't want to sound stupid. Listen, no one cares if you make mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes all the time. Your goal is to communicate, not be perfect. Pro tip: when you don't know a word, explain it with what you do know. Example, instead of, I don't know the word for refrigerator, say, it's the cold place where we keep food. Guess what? People will understand you. And that's all that matters. All right, let's say you follow these tips for 30 days. What will happen? You'll feel way more comfortable speaking. You'll stop translating in your head. You'll understand conversations much better. You'll be able to express yourself confidently. Will you be 100% fluent? Nope, but you'll be light years ahead of where you are today. So there you have it, the fastest way to reach a conversational level in 30 days. Now, I challenge you. Comment below and introduce yourself in English. Let's start speaking right now. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs it. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't be afraid to speak.